Woo! Hey, I'm Northern Mike. Welcome back to this week's episode. Check it out. Ice camping. This is the last part of the season in Saskatchewan. So I'm taking a little advantage here and doing some ice camping. All my stuff is all a mess still. I just got my bed made. I think I got enough propane tanks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I come prepared. 2. This one is pretty empty though, so this was just like a backup. So I got all my stuff ready. Got it all sorted out. The only thing was they ran out of minnows, but I got enough backup minnows here that right here, ones that I had from before. So I've got my container in here with some minnows. I got these ones here and there's some older ones from before. So I got enough. If not, if they don't want to work or they fall apart, I can always run to Lake Lenore, which is, you know, probably about an hour walk and an hour back. But it's an option if they're not working. At least I got an option. But I don't know if much is going to bite tonight, so we'll just close it off there. If I do catch something, you guys will see it. But we'll pick it up in the morning and see if anything happens. Not sure if I'm in the right spot. I kind of wanted to go to the river, but I don't know. I'm really stuck. I don't know what to do. So if I went to the river there, I wouldn't know how it's going and might be get nothing. Maybe it's too soon. So I caught fish here before. I'm not looking to hammer them. Just looking to get out, looking to have a good time. I don't like that lighting, eh? There you go. Is that better? That's really bright on my eyes now. Woo! So yeah, just trying to get out, get some peace of mind out here. I love ice camping. So peaceful. All you can hear is the coyotes yipping away. So yeah, look it. Got some glow-in-the-dark jigs here. Whoop. It's not going to work like that. There. Ooh, the bite me jig. Look at that glow. There you glow. Nice. Okay. So, like I said, see what happens tonight. I just came to settle in for tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's going to be +8. +8. What? And the next day is +9. So it keeps dropping. It said 12. Now it says 9 or 10. I don't know. It's still going to be nice. I'll be here to see if the fish bite first thing in the morning. I drilled 2 holes right now. I want to save my batteries for searching around in case I have to go. I think I would go to this side closer than I would go to that river. I'd probably go over there instead. Over here is not so bad of a walk. Over there is, it's quite a walk. But I'll do it. Nothing happens here all day. I'm going to hit up one of these rivers. I'm right in the middle of them. I don't know if I'm too early or too late. So I thought if I park somewhere I can possibly move again, I'd rather do that. So let's check it out. Stay tuned. Woo! I did it. It is 12:53, almost 1 o'clock in the morning. And there we go. That's the first walleye, baby. Walleye, look at them. Pretty fish. There we go. Look at that. 1 o'clock in the morning. I am just, whoa, he's flopping on my bed. He is flopping on my bed. Oh well, little fish slime. That's okay. He's allowed to. Yeah, walleye. Nighttime walleye. Perfect. Yes! Love it! Yeah! Put that light back on over here. Yes! Nighttime walleye, man. Perfect size. Get a measurement on her. 18 inches. See? Top. The back, about 18 inches. That is a sick walleye, man. Yeah. Love it. Number one. The ice? Yeah, let's check it out. Okay. Oh, don't drop this, I'd cry. Ooh. Northern Lights Lodge, baby. It is 34 inches. 34 inches of ice. Crazy, eh? Woo! Got bites on. Bites are on. Here he is. I got him. Oh, he let go. I'm trying to piss around with the camera. Got off right at the top. Look at. I mean, it's still there. Should have put the camera down. I'll be back. Just lost one. Man, he smoked it. Smoked it so hard. Okay, I got him. I got him. Not getting off this time. Whoa, baby! Did you hear that? Whoa! There she is! What a beautiful fish, man! Yeah! Night biting walleyes. That is 20, almost 21 inches. Just about 21. Nope. Yeah, just about 21. 20 and a half. 20 and a half inch walleye. Yeah, woo, fishing. Yeah. Oh, baby, look at that fish. Can you see it? Can you see that fish? Yeah. Time check is almost 1:23 in the morning. Number 2. Woo! Yeah. Woo, fishing. Night fishing. Love it. Look at that, guys. That is night fishing walleye. That is 20 and a half inch walleye. Oh, baby. Look at that fish. I hope you can see it all. Yeah. Almost 123. It was like 122, 121. Night fishing, man. You gotta love this night fishing. If you haven't done night fishing before, try it. They bite at night, and they're only getting bigger. Woo! Got my Lawrence Bay Lodge gear on. Time now is 2:25. Gonna get a little bit of some shut-eye before the morning bite. The wind is just howling. So hopefully my walls don't cave in. Right now it's blowing from the south. So I've got my braces there. I should have braced it all down, but I don't have enough tie-down straps. So let's see how this goes. Get some Z's until 7 o'clock. I'd be happy. I'm going to set an alarm for 7. So that's a little, almost 5 hours of sleep. Oh, tomorrow's gonna be +8. Hopefully this wind dies down. I don't have it blowing right on me. I got a window open about about 5-6 inches. I could feel cold air, so I'm not frozen. You can see my breath. So yeah, it's not super hot in here, and I'm not cold. As long as I got some air flowing, and I'm happy. I don't need to be like sauna in here. No, I don't need that. I just need to be just warm enough to get some rest. If I wake up cold, then I'll just turn on the heater a bit more. It's not even facing me, so I like the cold. I'm gonna just put this up and go to bed. See you in the morning. Woo, fishing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Appreciate all you guys and girls out there. Remember, if you're going to go ice camping, make sure you got good ventilation. What? Good ventilation. What? Good ventilation. Yeah, I'm just kidding. That sounds annoying. Well, anyways, annoying or not, I'll be able to see you in the morning. Because I have. That's right. Good ventilation. Alright. Have a good night. Oh, good morning. Whoa, good morning. It is 7:05. I went to bed at 2:30. Woke up at 4:30 to bells. I'm like, what bells? And then woke up again at 6:30 to bells. I lost it at 6:30. I lost it at 4:30. Right beside my bed here. Jeez. I lost them right beside my bed. I have it pointing that way. It's not so like hot on me. I don't like it hot. It's nice and cool all night. It's pretty windy. So I could feel the air moving all day. There's lots of air in here. I'm not worried. Oh, I'm just tired. Waking up to bells and losing it. Oh. Pretty sick having a hole right beside your bed though. I kind of like it a lot. I like it a lot. But I gotta get up. Check my Nemo. There's one over there too. Right there. Oh. Gotta get up. Good morning. I'll get up once I move around a bit more. I have some smoky breakfast. Have a smoky for breakfast. Maybe some Sour Patch Kids. And a ginger ale. Alright. Time to get up. I gotta get up. Ooh. Alright, I felt them. The bite is on. The bite is on. Ho, 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 ho. The bite is on. Nice little nip there. Definitely a walleye. Definitely a walleye. No doubt about it. That is a walleye. If that was a pike, it would have slammed it already. Would have just went, wow! Should drill a hole and get the camera down there. That wind is a howling today. Should be a nice day. Heater's still on the lowest level. That bite. Plain hard to get. Plain hard to get. Definitely a walleye. Gotta bite. Gotta set this up somehow. Okay, he's on. Let's get him. Woo! Vision! Uh-oh, he's stuck. There we go. Got him. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Woo! Vision! Got me all hooked up on my stinger. See my stinger there? Sick of losing fish. This stinger is awesome. Top lip hook set, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it wasn't going anywhere. I was all worried. Got a stinger in there. Looks like it got him good on the lip. Or underneath the chin. Look at this fish. He's rough looking. Look at that little fin. Rough looking fish. Check out his tail. What? Oh man, poor guy. Well, he's going to become part of the dinner plate. He's got a hook in the side of his mouth. What is that? Oh, it's just part of the minnow. The Nemo, as Kari-Lyn would say. Look at that. Rough looking fish, rough looking Mike. We're both rough looking. Oh, poor guy. Ooh. Check out that fish, man. That's number 3. Yeah. Rough. Good morning. Woo, vision. Fish bite, fish bite, fish bite, fish bite. Fish is biting. Fish is gone. Fish is gone. I just got him. Oh. There he is. Got him. Got him. He's off. Oh, he's off. No. Yeah, he's back. See if we can get him up this time. There he goes. Nice. Self-release pike. Got him. Oh yes, finally a bite. Yeah! Oh my gosh. I'm gonna let this fish live. I wanted this bite so bad. I've been waiting all day and I finally got a bite. Look at that, baby. Yeah. Woo! Finally. Thank you so much, fish. My goodness. I've been waiting for you all day. It's my first bite since 10 o'clock. Oh, my goodness. Let's put him back. He wants to go back. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. 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 You deserve to live. Thank you. Thank you. Woo! Vision! Yeah! Woo! Man, that was a long time. Thank goodness. I just love that bite. I love the bite of the fish. It doesn't make you forget that life is happening. It just takes you away for a few moments and it just lets you embrace what just happened. I got a bite. Oh, thank goodness. Now I can say I haven't got a bite since 220. Looks like we hooked into a monster. He is a nice one. There he goes. Oh, he's rolling. He's probably at the hole, but I can't see him. He is a fighter. Woo, vision, yeah. Hey, Ryan, this one is for you. Look it. There he is. Woo, vision, yeah. Made her up. Nice. Whoa, 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 hang on. Hang on. Don't get mad. Yeah, look at that guy. Woo! That's about 36, 35, something like that. Not very big, but man, he is chunky. Chunky monkey. Woo! And the Bite Me jig from Regina Pokies. Woo! Supposed to be fishing for food, but this guy is too big, man. I don't want to eat him. He's gonna eat me. There we go. The Bite Me jig from Chris. Quick measurement. $36, yeah. 36 inches. You're gonna take my word for it. I want to get him back in the water. 36 inches. There's this piker going back down the hole. See you later, big mama. Oh, don't go out. Hang on a second. Hang on. There you go. Holy cow, you're vision. Yeah. Woo. Well, I wasn't going to sleep here, but I think I'm going to now. Thanks whoever called me in to the COs, but you're wasting their time. Every time you do that, you're going to be wasting their time. Wasting resources. I even told you I was a treaty member, and you just like kept badgering me with questions. Do you know the season's closed? Yes, I do know it's closed, but it's not closed for me. Like, I asked you if you needed to see proof, and you're like, no. You just drove off, and I'm like, do you want to talk to me? Like, you just took off. Tried to show you my card, but you went and had to call the cops on me. The fish cops. Well, Ryan, had a good chat with you. Had a chat with my boss, and looks like we're going to hook you up with a boat this summer. Can't wait to meet you in July. Let's get 'em. Woo! Oh, after the day I had today. Yes. Food. Look, this is my outdoor microwave. Bing! It doesn't ding though. Then you have to stir the soup, just like a microwave. Can't wait. Oh, so hungry. Alright, check the microwave. Oh yeah, look at that. Starting to get a rolling boil here. Those look ready. Oh, I am so hungry. See, look underneath. Woo! Oh, I forgot all about the sandwiches Kari-Lyn made me. I'm going right in that soup, right off the bat. Look at what I just got. Woo! Just finished eating. Boom, nice walleye. And I just got another one. Oh, yeah. Pink puts him in the sink, baby. Nice one. Current is starting. Current is starting. She's a bouncing. She's a bouncing. I got him. Look at the pike. Oh, let go. Ah, messing with the camera. Gee willikers. See if I can put a half a minute on. That was a walleye. What's going on? Oh, water. Water droplets. Okay. Well, he's biting on half a minnow. Let's see if we can get it again. So, there's biting on half a minnow, no head. The bite is on. Hey, that's it. Half a minnow. Running out of minnows. Or as Kari-Lyn calls them, Nemos! Woohoo! Hey, Northern Mike here. Hey, I didn't finish the ending of that, the outro. So I'm going to use this as partial outro. And stay tuned. We're heading up to Baker's Narrows April 18th, 19th, and 20th. We're going to hit up a couple special lakes for some jumbo perch. And I'm going walleye fishing, birdbot fishing, and maybe lake trout fishing if you guys are lucky. So stay tuned for that one. It's coming up probably near the end of April. It's going to be a little wait. I know you guys are fishing in a boat already down in Ontario and Minnesota, but I'll still bring you some great ice fishing content. Stay tuned. Woo! Fishing! Yeah!